Hello guys, are you having a good week? This is fantastic week 14. Oh, is that you? Does it look like you? Are you ready to fly? What do you think? Oh yes, the answer is yes. We are ready. Great. Every week, the first thing we ask, hello, how are you? You guys remember these, don't you? Yes. I am fine. I'm fine. What's next? I am good. That's right. How do I always feel? Do you remember? I am great. That's right. There's always space for one more. What's this last one? I am wonderful. Are you wonderful? Maybe later when you have finished fantastic week 14. Do you remember last week? Let's try and think. Yes, we do. It was a very nice sound. It's the sound all teachers like. Now this sound, we can say two things about it. First thing, it's very quiet. Shh. And the second thing is it's a little bit long. We don't go they're all short. This is so it's a little bit long. What is that? What is it? It's a sh word. Ship. That's right. Let's just look at one more sh word. What's that? Dish. Some words have sh at the beginning. Some words have sh at the end. Can you say those words? Ship. And the next one? Dish. Well done, guys. Super job. Did we have an important word? Yes, we did. What was it? Both. When do we use both? We use it when we want to say something about two things. So we can have two different things, but we can say one thing about both. Let's see. Wow, okay. A shark, an octopus. What can we say? The shark and the octopus both live in the sea. So we can say live in the sea. For both the shark and the octopus, two things, we can say one thing about them. Shall we say that? It's a very long sentence, but you're great now. The shark and the octopus both live in the sea. Great. Well done. You really are super now. We have done so much. Yes, we have. That's right, we have. But what about this week? What is the sound this week? Well, here it is. Shall we practice? Ch, ch, ch. Is that okay? Ch, ch, ch. Now your turn. Ch, ch, ch. Well done. That was very good. Thank you. Nearly the same. Nearly the same. Last week was sh. Sh. Let's do both sounds. Both. We're going to do two sounds. Ch. Ch. Sh. Sh. Can you see? Ch is short. Sh is long. Shall we do that again? Ch. Ch. Sh. Sh. You can hear ch, but sh is very quiet. Quiet. Ch. That's not quiet, and it's very short. So, ch, sh. They're nearly the same. Let's practice again. Ch, sh, ch, sh. Now your turn. Ch, sh, ch, sh. Good job. Very good job. Where is it? Where is the ch sound? At the start of the word. Many words have ch at the start. Let's look. What's that? Ch, I, n, chin. Chin. That's your chin. Can you say it? Chin. Chin. Great job. The next one's very yummy. There we are. Do you know what it is? Cheese. Cheese. Can you say it? Cheese. Great job. So that's one very yummy thing. This is another one. What are they? Chips. Chips. Your turn. Chips. Great. Well done. Oh, what is this next one? Well, no, not your eye, under your eye, just here. What is that? Do you know? Cheek, cheek. Let's practice that one. Ready? Cheek. Well done. Now we've had two yummy things. another. Oh, yes. We know what that is, don't we? Chicken. Chicken. It's a long word, but we can still look at the sounds. Let's see. Ch, ik, ch, ik, chick, n, chicken, chicken. That's great, isn't it? We can always use the sounds to make the words. Did I say always? Do you remember shoe? That was a naughty word, wasn't it? So not always, but we can always try. What about this one? This is another naughty one. Sorry. There it is. We know what it is. Chair. Chair. But can we use the sounds? Ch, a, I, ch, a, ah. No, no, no. It's another naughty word. We can't use the sounds. We have to remember. But you know that word, don't you? Well done, guys. Let's look at all the words again. You ready? Chin. Cheese. Chips. Cheek. Chicken. Chair. Well done. Ch at the start of the word. Ch at the end of the word. Only sometimes. Oh dear, what is that? Which. 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 That's not nice, is it? And only one more. Only one more today. Catch. 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 Can you see the spelling? When the ch is at the end of the word, we have a T as well. Catch. C-A-T. C-H. Okay, let's say them again. Ready? Which. Catch. Great job. A lot of good words there. Well done. Can we use them? We're going to try and put those words into a sentence. No problem. Oh, let's see. I like to eat. And which of our words can we put in there? There we are. There we are. What are they? What was the first one? Cheese. What was the next one? Chicken. What was the last one? Chips. Great. What a super sentence. I like to eat cheese, chicken and chips. 3 ch words that are all really yummy. Let's cut it in 2 and you say it. You ready? I like to eat cheese, chicken and chips. Great. Do you like all 3 of those? I do. Yes. Very, very yummy. I would like to eat all 3 at the same time. Cheese, chicken and chips. Great idea. What have we got on our face? My and my are on my face. Oh, we've got eyes, nose, mouth, ears. What are the two ch words? Cheek, chin. There we are. Great. My cheek and my chin are on my face. Let's cut it into two and you can say it. My cheek and my chin are on my face. Thank you. Well done. Oh, what is that? And what is she doing? Well, let's see. Can let's think about this one. Can what's that scary lady called? Witch. Can the witch? And what is she doing? What was that? Catch. Great. Can the witch catch the... And what has she got in her hand? What is it? Chair. That's right. Can we say it? Can the witch catch the chair? Okay. Let's cut it in half again. Ready? Can the witch catch the chair? Great job. We have used all of the ch words. Oh, very well done. Great job. That really was very, very good. Oh, there she is again. I don't really like her. Maybe I just have to be nice. Hello. Hi. I think she's saying hi to me. I don't know, but I think I just want to be nice to her. Hi. Now, some more. What can we say about the lady? Which is scary ugly. Is that right? Which is scary ugly. That's not right. What is wrong? Well, is that a witch? Yes. Is she scary? Yes. Is she ugly? Yes. But this week, we're going to make lots of mistakes. Lots of things are going to be and you are going to make them ching. So, what is wrong? We've got which. We always have to use the. So let's see. The witch is scary, ugly. Nearly. That would be good. There we go. That's good. The witch is scary and ugly. The and. Can you guys say that? Ready? The witch is scary and ugly. Well done. Let's look at some more. What is wrong? Chicken, cheese. The chicken and the cheese are but yummy. Does that sound okay? The chicken and the cheese. So we've got two things. We don't want but. Do you remember? Two things. What word do we use? Both. Both. both yummy. Yummy chicken, yummy cheese. So, can we say this one now? The chicken and the cheese are both yummy. Well done. Great job. There we are. Ching. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh dear. We should not do that. Do not stand on the chair. Well, that sounds okay. Do not stand on the chair. Does that sound okay? Yes. But why is it wrong? We've got two problems there. When we start a sentence, capital letter, and when we end a sentence, full stop. Do you remember that from a long time ago? Capital letter, full stop. So all the words were okay. Let's say it now that it looks good. Do not stand on the chair. Great. Okay. Oh dear, now she's right next to me. Oh dear. Oh, but the hand is saying, oh. The witch is here. Is that what the hand is saying? Here. Not here. What word do we need? Do you remember? There. There. Ching. Let's say it. The witch is there. Yes. Let's get rid of her. We don't like her. Bye. Ooh. You are really good. Do you remember definitions? Can you make good definitions? What is a definition? Well, it tells us what the word is. Okay? Do you remember? Yes, great job. What are they? What are they? Chips. Chips. Yes. Let's look at a good definition. A nice snack in a cup. In a cup. Is that okay? A nice snack in a cup. Is it a nice snack? Yes. In a cup? Oh. No. Where are chips? What do you think? Bag. Ching. You say it then, guys. A nice snack in a bag. Well done. Well done. What is he doing? Catch. Catch. Can you think of a definition for catch? There we are. Great. Stop something with your ear. Stop something with your ear. No. When you catch, what do you use? What do you use? Hand. That's right. Great. Stop something with your hand. Great. Now your turn. Stop something with your hand. Super. Well done. What is it? Chin. Chin. What is a good definition for chin? It is under your arm. Under your arm? No. Where is it? It is under your mouth. That's right. Great. It is under your mouth. Can you say it? It is under your mouth. Great. Well done, guys. You really are great. Now, can you remember the words? Let's see. Cheese. Chair. Witch. Chips. Cheek. Chin. Catch. And there's one more. Can you remember? It's yummy. Chicken. Great job. How many words did we have this week? 8. 8 words for you guys this week. Let's see if you can tell me what the pictures are. What is it? Chair. Chair. What's this? That's right. Catch. Catch. Well done. This one's yummy. It was the last word that came in. Chicken. Chicken. Super. What's next? This is a new word, isn't it? Do you know this? Do you remember? Cheek. Cheek. Great. Well done. Oh dear. Okay, let's do this one quickly. There it is. Witch. Witch. Bye. Oh, okay. What is that? Do you remember? Chin. Chin. Well done. Great. Very yummy. In a bag. Chips. Chips. Great. Another yummy one. Yes, we know that. Cheese. Cheese. That is great. All 8 words. Well done, guys. That was really super. Thank you. That was another great week. Next week is super fun. Really is. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.